Hi guys, this is my third or fourth video. At last I finished my G.I. Joe Pursuit of Cobra action figures collection. I'm using the Brian Toy Story wave catalog to put in order every single wave. Here in the first wave we have Ali Viper, Beachhead, Cobra Commander, the first version, Duke, the first version, Firefly, it's an awesome figure, Snake Eyes with Timber, Snow Job, Stone Shadow with a lot of items. Second wave, we have a Destro, first version, Dusty, Jungle Viper, Recondo, one of the best figure in this wave, second version of Snake Eyes. I don't like this one that much. He doesn't have a regular sword, so he has no weapons, I think. Sartan is very nice. The hawk is like a small falcon. I think it's a Hayabusa. It means well in Japanese it's Hayabusa, in Spanish halcón peregrino. I don't know how we call it in English. Third wave, Cobra Chuck Trooper. Second version of Duke. Snake Eyes third version. A lot of weapons, like 2 or 3 swords, 2 katanas, 1 sword, like 2 knife, 2 guns, 2 or 3 machine guns or rifle assault. Second version of Stone Shadow. The fourth wave, one of the best I think, Destro. Very nice. This is the last that I just get today, that's why I'm making the video. Low light, awesome sniper rifle. Shadow Tracker, and Skydive. Fifth wave, Blowtorch, Cobra Trooper, second version of Cobra Commander, Hawk, Jungle Bat, very good, very nice. He has a huge machine gun, it's like a Gatling gun, 2 heads, Steel Brigade, rocket launchers, 2 or 3 assault rifles. 6 wave, one of the best too, Crazy Legs, Crowdmaster, Iron Grenadier. They have a second version, like a repack in the 30th anniversary, but it doesn't have the camouflage pants. I have that too, but I like this better. Rock Viper, very nice. 4 version of Snake Eyes, lot of items, 3 masks, 2 heads, two or four katanas or swords. And the last one, I really do like this one, Cobra Viper the Enemy. They have a repack 30th anniversary too. I love the rocket launcher. Those two exclusive, Spirit Iron Knife from Toys R Us. He looks like Charlie from Predator. If you see the picture, he looks a lot like him. And we have Quick Kick, another exclusive figure. He looks a little bit chubby, but it's because of the, I don't know, it's like a vest. It's very nice. Again, first wave. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And the last one, sixth wave. And the exclusive. Thank you for watching.